Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can start an LLC in Florida using LegalZoom, a platform that makes the process fast, easy, and stress-free. Whether you're starting a side hustle, launching a full-time business, or protecting your existing venture, forming an LLC in Florida has some incredible benefits like personal asset protection and no state income tax. We'll break everything down step by step from forming an LLC to filing your paperwork with LegalZoom. I'll share some tips along the way to get it done smoothly. Now, before we get started, the links for the mentioned tools and softwares are in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And so, before we dive into the details, let's quickly cover what an LLC and why you want to form one in Florida. Now, an LLC or a limited liability company is a legal structure that provides limited liability protection. Basically, it separates your personal assets from your business to your liabilities. Now, you also have tax benefits. LLC offers flexible taxation options. You can choose to be taxed as a sole proprietor, partnership, or corporation. Now, we also have simplicity. Compared to corporation, LLCs have been fewer formalities and are easy to manage. Now in Florida, starting an LLC is especially attractive because there's no state income tax, which means more money stays in your pocket. It's affordable to form and maintain an LLC with low annual reporting fees. Florida has a thriving business community, especially in industries like tourism, tech, and real estate. And so, why use LegalZoom to form your LLC? LegalZoom is one of the most trusted online platforms for business formation, and here's why. Their ease of use. Now, the step-by-step process make it simple even for beginners. Time saving. They handle all legal paperwork and filing so you don't have to, which can save a lot of time. Now, from basic filings to full service options, they have plans for every budget. And lastly, LegalZoom offers additional services like registered agent support, legal consultation, and compliance monitoring. Now, it's a great option if you want a stress-free experience without worrying the state-specific requirements. And so, let's now proceed to the step-by-step tutorial on how you can form your LLC on Florida. Now, you simply want to head over to LegalZoom.com and this page will show up right here. Now, once inside, you can then go ahead and see this menu. You have your business formation, wills and trust, and intellectual property. You simply want to go ahead and click on business formation right here. If you cannot go ahead and see this button, you simply want to scroll down. And from here, you can then go ahead and see a button for the Start My Business LLC. You simply want to click on Start My Business and you will be taken to this page right here. Now, once inside, we have multiple options like LLC, corporation, nonprofit, and doing business as. Now, the simplest way of structuring your business to protect personal assets, as I've mentioned earlier, it will go ahead and divide your personal assets to your business liabilities. Now, as you can see, we can start with $0 with state filing fees. So you have to keep this in mind right here, but forming an LLC using LegalZoom can completely be free. Now, just go ahead and click on Start My LLC, and from here we have different plans for the LLC formation. Now, with $0, we can go ahead and get articles of organization, the document needed to officially register your LLC with the state, which is Florida, name check service to confirm that your preferred business name is available. Now we have to make sure that our business name is available for our specific states. And for Pro, we can then go ahead and get all of these features right here, includes the basic plan and the additional all of these features, which is operating agreement, which help you set entity guidelines and settle disputes, EIN, unlimited signatures or e-signatures to send and sign agreements online, 1 year included. And lastly, we have Premium Assist. Now, this includes all of the features on the Pro feature, and we have additional features such as hands-on guidance from an experienced business attorney that you choose based on the state, years of experience, and rating. Now, to proceed, I want to go ahead and form my LLC with the free or basic plan right here. So just go ahead and choose your preferred plan for your LLC. Once inside, we will then be taken to our business name. Now we have to go ahead and make sure that we enter the right business name for here, because we have to confirm whether this specific business name is available on our state, which is Florida. Now, as an example, I'll just go ahead and put something like this business name right here. Now, they will validate your name later. No need to add LLC. If you're still thinking, you can go ahead and skip this process and add it on later. Now, in my case, since I already have my business name, I'll just go ahead and click on next. And right after that, it will then go ahead and ask us on where our business is located. Of course, you want to go ahead and select your state. In our case, it is going to be Florida. And from here, simply click on next. Now we are inside the primary contacts. Give us a way to reach out about your order or with special offers. We'll never sell your sensitive data or share it with others. Now this is completely optional, and due to privacy and security reasons, I'll just go ahead and skip this for now. And right after that, we are now inside the industry of our specific business. Now, in my case, my business will go ahead and do something like architecture. So you want to go ahead and choose this specific industry for your business right here. If you cannot go ahead and see your specific industry, you can just go ahead and add one. So you want to click on next. And from here, we have this notice on keep the LLC compliant to avoid setbacks. We have the compliant filings and essential documents. Most businesses must file annual reports and other ongoing reports with the government. Legal entities often require operating agreements (EINs) for taxes and banking and formal contracts. So you simply want to click on next, and from here we then have to select our plan once again. So I'll just go ahead and click on next. From here we have multiple plans that we can go ahead and choose from. Now you can go ahead and skip this if you want to, but if you want to save time on essential documents, you simply want to go ahead and choose a plan for yourself. But if you're willing to wait, you can just go ahead and click on no thanks. Once again, we have $99, $159, and lastly $200. Now this includes different essential documents right here. Now in my case, I'll click on no thanks, and we will then be taken to the personal and business finance with a business bank account. Once again, I'll go ahead and click on next. And now we are getting to the end of our LLC formation. Now, if you're rushing your processing to be expedited, you simply want to select the 1-day expedited processing, which is $99. Or if you're willing to wait, you can just select the 5 to 14-day standard processing. From here, we have our founder's kit. Basically, this founder's kit will include all of these documents, which is the binder with your business name, formation documents printed on archival paper, articles of organization, personalized notebook, step-by-step checklist for what to do after your LLC is formed. I'll just go ahead and click on no thanks, and you simply want to click on next. Now from here, all we have to do now is to go ahead and confirm our order to the LLC formation. Now, as you can go ahead and see, for the LLC basic package, it's completely free, and our subtotal is going to be completely free. But for the filing fees, we can then go ahead and pay it at $155. This will go ahead and change depending on which state you're forming your LLC into. For example, if you're forming your LLC on something like Michigan, it will go ahead and say $50 or $55. But in our case, it is going to be $155 since we're doing it in Florida. So all we have to do now is to click on continue to checkout. And right after that, you want to select your payment method. For Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. And from there, they will go ahead and send more information for the primary contact that you have filled up on the previous questions. And so if this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.